Hi guys! So for today, we will be unboxing Air Jordan 1 Low, Varsity Red White, yung colorway niya. So ito yung size 8. And then, as you can see, yung codes niya, dyan din. So let's start unboxing. So ito yung Jumpman na paper na included. Ayan. So ito yung shoes. Wait lang. So, labas natin siya. Ayan. There. So, close up natin. As you can see. Ayan. Check na logo. And then yung Air Jordan na embroidery. Ayan. Tapos yung ilalim. Laman yung tang niya. And then yung Jumpman na embroidery din. And then yung size tag. Ayan. And then yung other shoe. Close up natin. So yun guys. So yung mga order 4,900 lang siya. So below SRP. Pre-order only at Boss B Apparels. PM lang kayo pag gusto nyo. Thank you.